Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your CPU speed on your Windows 11 computer. So this is relatively easy to do. Let's go on down to search and then type in edit, power, plan, and then go to the control panel for this. So let's select it right here. And this little window will appear now. Go to change advanced power settings and select this. And then go to this window and select high performance on the top, and you might have ultra performance on the top. Select that as well, but change it on the top here. If you have power saving or balance, switch over to high performance, then go to apply on the bottom. Then also we want to go to process power management and open this up, and then go to the maximum processor state and make sure this is at 100%. You can easily change it. Then go to the minimum processor state right here, and let's change this to 0, then press enter, and that should take effect now. And another thing that we want to do is go to the search bar and then type in game mode and go to the game mode settings on your Windows 11 computer and just make sure this is turned on and check mark. It says optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So game mode is turned on. Now another thing that we want to do is go back to search and type in task manager and go to this application. Otherwise, you can right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager right here. Now go to where it says Startup Applications. So we're Startup here. Let's select Startup Apps right here. Then go to Status and filter from everything that's enabled and disable everything under this list unless you want to keep the application on your startup. So I typically just keep a few applications, but pretty much disable everything you possibly can, and your computer will start up much easier and it'll run quicker. Then simply go to the start button right here and go to power and restart your PC, and you should see an increase in your performance now on your computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.